Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn understanding necessary and mentioned when translating complex English sentences into Tagalog. Let's get started. Understanding the difference between what is necessary and what is simply mentioned is an important skill when translating complex English sentences into Tagalog. Since English and Tagalog express ideas differently, not every word or detail in English needs to be translated directly. Effective translation focuses on preserving the main meaning while making the sentence sound natural and clear in Tagalog. This topic explores how translators identify essential information, simplify unnecessary details, and create translations that communicate meaning smoothly rather than word for word. When translating complex English sentences into Tagalog, two important ideas are every word directly. Number 1, necessary meaning. The information that must stay for the sentence to make sense. Number 2, mentioned meaning. Details that are stated in English but may be optional, implied, or naturally omitted in Tagalog. Tagalog translation is often more natural when the translator focuses on the necessary meaning rather than translating. Number 1, necessary meaning. This is the core message of the sentence. Example, English. She went to the store because she needed medicine. The necessary ideas are: she went somewhere. The reason was to get medicine. Natural Tagalog. Pumunta siya sa tindahan dahil kailangan niya ng gamot. Everything important is preserved. Number 2, mentioned meaning. English often mentions information that Tagalog can leave implied. Example, English. I already ate my dinner. In English, my dinner is specifically mentioned. Natural Tagalog. Kumain na ako. The idea of dinner is understood from context, so it may not need to be mentioned. A very literal translation. Kumain na ako ng hapunan ko. This is grammatically correct but may sound too heavy in normal conversation. Why this matters in complex sentences? Complex English sentences often contain repeated subjects, unnecessary pronouns, explicit time markers, connectors, details already understood from context. Tagalog usually prefers shorter structure, implied subjects, context-based meaning, smoother flow. Example comparison. English. Although he was tired after working all day, he still helped his younger brother finished the project. Literal translation. Kahit na pagod siya matapos magtrabaho buong araw, tinulungan pa rin niya ang kanyang nakababatang kapatid na tapusin ang proyekto. This is accurate and formal. More natural Tagalog. Kahit pagod siya galing sa trabaho, tinulungan pa rin niya ang kapatid niyang tapusin ang proyekto. Some mentioned details are simplified. Working all day, galing sa trabaho. Younger brother, kapatid. The necessary meaning remains intact. Key principle. A good Tagalog translation is not always translate every word. Instead, it is transfer the meaning naturally. Practical guidelines for students. Keep. Main action. Important relationships. Time if important. Cause and effect. Emotional tone. You may simplify. Repeated pronouns. Obvious details. Over specific wording. Redundant expressions. Teaching tip for young learners. You can teach this idea using must keep vs can simplify. English part. Must keep. Example. Main action. Must keep. Yes. Example. She ran. Exact wording. Must keep. No. Example. Wording may change. Repeated subject. Sometimes no. Example. Omitted in Tagalog. Context clues. Can simplify. Example. Understood naturally. Simple classroom activity. Give students, number 1, an English sentence. Number 2, a literal Tagalog translation. Number 3, a natural Tagalog translation. Ask, which sounds more natural? Which information is necessary? Which information was only mentioned? This helps students understand real translation instead of word-for-word conversion. So, there you go guys. This video answer about understanding necessary and mentioned when translating complex English sentences into Tagalog. Thanks for watching.